10 years ago, if we had have been talking about environmental benefits of putting solar in, it wasn't really something that was discussed. And nowadays I'm finding it's probably a 50-50 split where people are saying, yeah, I want to do the right thing by the environment. I'm conscious of the effects of coal-fired generators and that side of thing. So yeah, people, they make a conscious decision based on, obviously on what they want, but yeah, the environment does come into the play now. Yeah, money's a great motivator, and if you can save a lot of money, especially for some of the people that are retired, they've got money invested, and if they can put a solar power system in that's going to save them money, then their investments are going to sustain them for a lot longer as well. So they look at selling power back to the grid, and depending on who your energy retailer is, you can get 8, 10, 11, 12 cents a kilowatt, you can get up to 20. So it really comes down to trying to balance whether it's worthwhile getting a higher discount on the power that you're buying, or whether you get a higher feed-in rate for the power you're selling back to the grid. The feed-in tariff, in a lot of cases, people are, if you're getting that 12 cent mark, 11, 12 cent, that seems to be about where the market is.